effects, titles, text, grab it, drag it onto the timeline. And now, here, titles, make sure you increase a little bit our text. And now, settings, here, make sure you write 0, enter, and add a keyframe from here. Move 3 or 6 frame ahead, around 6. Here, please write 1.3. And now, move 2 or 3 frames ahead and write here 0.80. Now move another 2 or 3 frames ahead and here please write 1. Okay, you can check this so you can see frames. Now add another keyframe with 1, then move 3 frames ahead, and here please write 0.93, and now move 4 frames forward, and here please write 1.3. And now move another around 6 frames ahead, and here type 0 and enter. And we have this animation. If you want to smooth this animation, click here. These lines are too straight. As you can see, we need to make them more wavy. So click on one keyframe and select here. So you can see now is different. Click on the other one, the next one. Click on the next one here and change here the same. Give it a better smooth lines, and that's what you have to do. Now here's the difference. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and take care.